My name is Harsh Kumar and I am a third year BTech Computer Science and Engineering student at Lovely Professional University. In today's video, I will walk you through my PNR project titled Railway PNR Enquiry System API Testing, developed using RestAssured in Java with JSON server acting as a mock backend. So let's get started. So the project overview is this project simulates a PNR inquiry system similar to that used by Indian Railways, where we perform REST API testing with improvement validation, including making a GET request using path parameters, validating the test status code is 200 for a successful response, ensuring the response time is under 500 milliseconds, and verifying a content type is application JSON. So for this, we have to set up a mock API. So let's get our mock API using JSON server. Open the terminal first, just remove it, and just we have to search here, command prompt, open it, and just write the command to create a new JSON file. Echo curly braces open closed is greater than PNR dot JSON to create a file. Now our file is created. So to edit the file, we have to use the command. I am using Notepad, so I have to write all the data in our Notepad. So I used Notepad, PNR11, PNR12. This is the file name .json. Just click on it. Now here we created a file in the Notepad, and we have to add a PNR data inside the file. That include PNR number, train number, travel data, and booking status. So I already created it. Just here, have you seen here? PNR status, train number, and the passenger train booking status. It is RSC or confirmed. So let's copy it and paste here. So now save it. Now once the data is added, start the JSON server by running the command npx json server watch pnr 12, the file name .json. Just click on it. So when the server is up and running, visit the provided endpoint URL to verify that our mock API is live and ready. So just click Control plus. Yeah, our mock API is running successfully. Now API testing in Eclipse IDE. So let's move on the testing the API in Eclipse IDE. Open the Eclipse and create a new Maven project. Just click File, New, Maven project. Just click both of them. Just go to next. We have to add group ID and artifact ID. We can add anything. So I added CA5, and here I also added CA5. Just CA5. Just click on finish. Now after creating the file CA5, just click on it, and now we inside the package I have to create a Java class. So click on the srt test.java. We have to create a package here. Just click on it, go to new, here package, name it that you want to name, get 5. Just write it and just click on finish. And inside the package I have to create a class. Go to new class. Here the name of the class is get 5. Okay, just click on finish. Now it's done. Here we created a package get5 and public, and the class name is get5. So now I have to add the dependencies. So now click on Chrome and just here search the Maven repository here. Just click on it. We have to copy the search here RestAssured. First, I have to search RestAssured here. It is. Just click on it. After clicking it, we have to copy the dependency for the latest version and paste it into the dependency section of our form XML file. Just click on this latest version. Just single click and copy it. Now again in our clips ID and just go to the form XML file here where it is. We have to add dependency here. Just click on dependencies. Here is the option from. Just double click and just enter, add the dependency here. Now save it. It's done. Here the dependency is added. Here is a Maven dependency is added. Now go to the our class file. Here here we have to write the test script. We have to import the necessary RestAssured libraries, and we have to set the base URI to find the mock server, and also send a GET request to fetch the PNR status. So I already written the code, so we can save a lot our time. Here is the code. So just copy it from here. Here the package name is get5 and class name is also get5. Just click on get5 and get5. Just click on it. Get5, and now we have to save it and right click, go to the run as, run configuration. Now I have to write the base script here. So here I import the necessary RestAssured libraries, and I create a class get5, and here I have to fetch the data. So just remove this, just remove it and add this PNR status. Just copy it and open your clips. Just fetch the data here, and now all set. We use git command to fetch all the data, and the status code of this command code is 200. And the time is less than 500. Now extract the data. We have to right click, and then we go to run as and click on Java application. So we click on console. So here we get that the console output, the GET request is successfully, the status code is 200 validated, and content time was confirmed as application.json, and response time was within the acceptable limit. That all. We get a mock backend using JSON server and automated API testing. Thank you for watching. That's all. Thank you.